Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is going to be a rapid fire update for different coins, and we're going to start off with Solana. And Solana right now is quite looking destructive, and as you may see, I have a pattern here. So you are coming down and moving up, coming down, moving up, coming down, break to the downside, you went up here and you are probably getting rejected. So this is a pattern called descending triangle. So let's check that one out. So we do have the descending triangle pattern here, and there you go. So guys, this is what it looks like. If you go into the images, we have this thing right over here. So basically that's the example right there, right? Downtrend, consolidation, descending upper trend line, whatever this is. And yeah, you can actually check this in detail. And the thing is that that descending triangle is looking to make a technical target all the way down $61.7. As far as I'm concerned, then validation happens at 102. So if Solana ever gets to $102, you are not going down there. As far as this chart looks like, you broke to the downside, went up for the retest, got rejected right over there, and it actually could be big time that you actually see Solana moving down to that technical target. And that's it for the video. Allah Hafiz.